My last week in Minnesota was fairly uneventful. I had been hoping it would rain while I was there since we don't get much in California. So, when it started to rain, I tried to take full advantage of it. My evenings and most of my days were filled with drawing, writing, and reading when I wasn't spending time with my family. When I arrived home, I was greeted with the best surprise. Almost all of our caterpillars had formed chrysalises. After a hectic week back, I spent my Saturday celebrating a dear friend's birthday at the medieval times. I may have given her the idea. I wore a simple dress and corset and brought my grandmother's purse that my mom gave me while I was in Minnesota. Medieval times! Oh! It's your birthday!
It's my birthday.
Woo! She's VIP, she's royalty.
We're table 4. They're going to...
Yes, heck yeah.
The age-old dance of the hunted, and the hunter begins.
Behold, she takes...
Most of us had never been to medieval times, including myself, and while I did have a blast, I think I'm gonna stick to going to Renaissance festivals for my dose of medieval times. The meal was fun, I enjoyed the no utensil aspect, and the show was quite entertaining. A part of me wishes there was more of a story to it though. This friend group had gone to the Pirate Dinner Theater for the same friend's birthday 2 years ago, and I think we all much preferred that story and experience than the medieval times, but, you know, we still had a great time. Sadly, our night did not win, which was a bummer, but there were mixed feelings. Also, we got this really fun photo at the end. Afterwards, we recapped at Handel's ice cream. I got the taro, it was really tasty. What'd you guys think of medieval?
Great.
Yeah.
Knights slashing steel at each other.
They could've,
there was
like...
so much zeal flying around. Testosterone fueled them.
Yeah,
Okay.
testosterone.
Fantastic.
I also enjoyed the testosterone. That
Yes.
was really nice. Yeah.
Good. All right.
I really felt it. I felt that.
We've got butterflies. When I got back home from medieval times, we discovered that the butterflies had hatched during the day.
Oh, Dakota, what do you think of the butterflies? Nah.
The animals were not as thrilled as me, but the cats did take a little interest in the butterflies when they were flying around and would try to grab them and whack them, and that was a big no-no, but it was still really cute. It's been a pretty stressful week. I got back from my trip to Minnesota and kind of discovered that Felix has been having some really bad diarrhea, and his skin is very scaly and itchy. So I've been really trying to monitor. We took him to the vet, so we're waiting to hear back what if he has like an infection or parasite, but we're trying to do what we can to alleviate his diarrhea, and I'm hoping to and also help his skin issues. So anything pet related, I'm just always so stressed out all the time. Like I just can't properly deal with it. And now the light is going away, so I should probably call it for the evening.
Oh yeah, I got him. I got him. Be free. Go. Oh. yeah, he looks good. Okay. Just a little confused. Ooh, you feel that wind? Yes.
The final butterflies hatched the day before, so today I'll be releasing them. I think I mentioned earlier in the video that Felix wasn't feeling well, that he was having some diarrhea and just overall generally not feeling so great, but we got his results back and looked like he had a higher level of some bacteria. He should be fine, so I'm not too worried about that. I was on a walk just now with Dakota and we saw a couple monarch butterflies near the neighborhood. We just went around the block and I couldn't help but hope that the butterflies were the ones that we hatched and released, and I don't know, I just hope that they have a good life. It's just kind of sad knowing that that was something that you helped grow and maintain, and then now they've been released and they're doing their own thing. But I'm excited for the season to grow our milkweed even bigger. I hope that they get bigger and bushier and more monarchs can lay their eggs, and we'll have even more caterpillars next year. We might need to get like a bigger tent. I don't know, we'll see. Sorry, Felix. Yes, so the butterflies. I would love it if it was an annual thing. I would love to raise more butterflies. But yeah, no, everything, it's been a really relaxing month. I mean, busy, but I feel like I did a lot of necessary, just being able to be present, catch up on a lot of life things. But I'm excited for my next video. I have had a project that I put off for a little while. Not really put off, but I just had other things that I wanted to do instead. I can't believe August is already almost over, one more week, and then it's already September, and then it's gonna feel like fall, which is usually my favorite time of the year, but for some reason this year in particular, I'm mourning the loss of summer. I have never loved summer before, but I think that having the garden and having the butterflies, and I don't know, just really seeing this summer as a summer of growth in all things, even for myself. I laid a lot of ground rules for myself this summer, and you know, choosing to kind of lay low and work on myself and work on my health, and yeah, so I'm kind of sad to see that this season come to an end so suddenly. Anyway, I don't want to keep this going for any longer, but I just wanted to do a little outro because this has been a pretty chill video, and my last video wasn't a whole lot either. It was just a little reflection of my trip to Minnesota. So I'm gonna go work out, and then I'm gonna go and edit the rest of this video and hopefully release it to the world. And so thank you for joining me on this quick little journey through August. And we'll have a lot more concentrated videos going forward of actual projects, hopefully, but we'll see. I can't tell if I want this channel to be like a video journal vlogging channel or if I want it to strictly remain crafts. I think I want it to be both, but we'll see. Oh my gosh, I just saw a monarch butterfly like fly up outside my window. Oh my gosh. Why am I so sad? Okay. All right, I think that's it. I think I need to go to the gym.